inspired by some videos circulating on the internet about energy production out of nowhere, using magnets, spark plugs, cables, which have a lot of views and many positive comments and likes. And because I have met people who believe that these systems operate remotely, I would like you to write your own opinion in the comments, because I believe that they watch these videos so often. And if you have ever encountered someone who strongly supports some form of seizure among these, if I truly believe that the buzzers and magnets, by themselves, they generate electricity, and not just any electricity, those at 220V and 50 Hz, they are like the devices shown online with capacitors that open devices, adjust the densities, and fix everything. This is how this story came about. Anyway, in my turn, I will also give a little test on a machine that is known to everyone, the welding. This one is specifically 350A, meaning the current ranges from 30A up to 350A. Imagine how powerful this machine is. I will give you a demonstration so you can see. I'll bring a piece of iron to weld so you can watch how the power melts the electrode, how the power can melt the electrode. A wire that is 3 millimeters, up to 5 can be specific. And look here how the comfort can melt the wire. Look, I want you to tell me, in this soldering, if I take out electrons and put a multimeter on it, what do you think will happen? Or if I connect the wires to the components on top, resistors, capacitors, I believe they will short circuit, catch fire from the many sparks it produces. All the wires will melt, the multimeter will melt. What will happen? I want you to write in the comments what you think will happen. And in the next video, I will try it practically. I will put 2 components on top to see what happens. Also, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you receive the next videos we will make. Click on the comparison so that the upcoming videos we create will also appear for you. So we'll approach it in reverse. We won't generate energy, but we'll observe from the energy we have what damage it might cause to various components and cables. Hello everyone.